Hey, sweet friend, I'm your host Marcia. Welcome to SweetTube Academy, and let's dive into edible images on Canva. Okay, guys, head over to your Canva, click Create, type in 8.5 for the width, 11 for the height. It should be in inches, and click Create a Design. Go to Elements and pick either the square or the circle picture frame. And the reason that we're doing this is because we can just drop in our picture into any of our templates. I'm making this one into a 6-inch and this into a 2.5-inch circle. Now just copy and paste. Be creative and use as much of the edible image paper as possible. So as you can see, if you maximize the size of your canvas, you can always move it if you just need a hairline move. Now let's fit as many as we can. And I believe I can just get one more. And paste. And there you have it. I don't want it to touch, so you're going to maximize the canvas in order to move it just a hairline. And there you have it. Now let's go to upload, pick an image. I'm going to pick my grandbaby. And you're just going to click on the image, drag it, and as soon as your mouse is on the actual picture frame, just let go and it'll just autofill. And then to actually move it and align it the way you want, like I want everything centered, you're going to double click on your image and it'll open the actual picture. And then you just drag it to wherever you need to drag it. Now let's add text to this. So I'm showing you what you can do with an edible image. Okay, let's make this bold. Now let's increase the size of the font. Let's head over to Effects, click on Curve, and in order to bring it up, you're just gonna go towards your left-hand side on the bar. Then let's change the color. Let's see which one I like. Let's leave it with red. Let's make this a little bit tighter. And by doing that, dragging the bar to the left-hand side, it made it more circular to fit better within the circle. Now I want to add a shadow, and you do that under Effects like you just saw. I changed the color, the background color, to black and increased the transparency. And there you have, here are our edible images and my cutie patootie grandson. Then go to share, make sure that it's set to PDF print at the top, and then just download it. Once you've downloaded it, open it up. You should be able to see it, and all you have to do is just click print, then select your edible image printer and click print. Now let's head over to Canva and let's create a few more templates just so that you can get a rough idea of all the templates that you can create and all the sizes. Here we go. We're going to start with the circular one. Once you're in your canvas, you're going to do the exact same thing that we did before. Click on type out edible image for your templates. You're going to resize it to 8 inches. This is going to be a 3-inch. And just place it on your sheet. In order to give a sheet a name, you have to click an additional page. So now every time that you click add a page, it gives you the ability to name that page. That one's going to be 8-inch and 3 inches. This one's going to be a 6-inch with 2.5, 3-inch. It doesn't matter, whatever you choose. And just copy and paste. And use every inch of your paper that you possibly can. Remember that you don't have to be stuck and say, but okay, so I made my template and I only need the 6-inch template. Remember that you can also create examples of cupcake toppers, of cookies, and you can add any image or you can add any wording to your edible paper and print it along with the order that you have, and then make either the cookies or cupcakes and put them on top, take pictures, and you have more examples of work that you can do. Here again, we're just going to use as much real estate of the canvas as possible, or the edible paper as possible. Right here I can only fit one, but if I move it up and move these down, I can fit one more. So just keep moving them and seeing how you can keep adding more elements to the page. And these are 3 inches. And then again, just keep adding as many pages as you can and create your templates that way. This is going to be 2.5 and copy and paste. You can get 12 on one page. And I grouped it, then copied and paste. It's so much easier to do it that way. Again, name each page so you don't forget what sizes you have. And you can go all the way to 1.5 inches, and those I would use for cupcake or even smaller cookies, mini cookies. I like to select everything, group it, and lock it so that I don't by accident move it around or delete it. And you're just gonna get all your popular shapes of cakes or cookies that you make, and just keep making your templates. Once you get the hang of it, it's simple. Once you have them done, it's just forget it. And when you have to actually upload an image and insert it into the frame, it's simple and stress-free. And remember, increase the size of your canvas if you need to, like, just move your items just a tad bit. That's the easiest way to do it. Of course, I forgot the sizes. This is 2-inch, and this is, I believe, 6-inch. Yep, so 6-inch and 2-inch. And then just keep doing that for each shape. Don't forget that you can add edible images just about on everything, from your chocolate covered Oreos to your Rice Krispie treats. I mean, absolutely anything and everything that you can think of. So now let's just show you one more time. You upload an image, you drag it from the sidebar, and once your mouse is hovered over the actual frame, you let go. Here I deleted that. Let's add a picture of my children. And now again, double click on it, center it, and then just add it to whichever page. Do the same thing. You double click, center it the way you like it. And then let's go back, and I'm gonna add it to these. And this is the one that I'm going to print for the video. and then make sure that you select only the page that you're going to download. Don't keep it on select all, because you're going to download absolutely every template. So if you have 20 templates, you're going to download 20 templates. And now let's add borders. You can also add borders, and you can change the color of the borders. And if this helped you in any way, shape, or form, don't forget to give us a like, click share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see any other videos, just drop it in the comment section below. I'm always reading and answering everyone's comments. Happy baking!